At CES 2024, CES stole the show with the N1, the world's first 137-inch unfolding micro-LED TV. This isn't just a massive screen, it's a transformative experience that reimagines the role of television in the home. A mesmerizing metamorphosis. The N1 is more than just a TV, it's a captivating kinetic sculpture. With the press of a button, the colossal screen gracefully divides into panels, slowly butterfly folding and descending into a compact rectangular form. The transformation, taking about 2.5 minutes, is a sight to behold, leaving jaws dropped and imaginations ignited. Unparalleled visual feast. Unfolded, the N1 presents a stunning, seamless picture. The micro-LED technology delivers a massive 4K resolution with an astounding 4000 nits peak brightness and HDR. Individual pixels are virtually imperceptible at normal viewing distances, resulting in an unparalleled visual experience. CES's proprietary adaptive gap calibration ensures a flawless image, even with the screen's modular construction. This system measures distances, detects offsets, and calibrates LED brightness to illuminate any visible seams between screen sections, guaranteeing a picture that's truly immersive. Beyond the big screen, the N1's magic extends beyond its size and picture quality. The screen boasts up to 180 degrees rotation, allowing for optimal viewing from any angle. It also rises and unfolds automatically, transforming from a sleek, sculptural base into a cinematic behemoth in just 60 seconds. When not in use, the N1 discreetly folds back into its base, blending seamlessly into your living space. It's not just a TV. It's a statement piece, a conversation starter, and a testament to cutting-edge engineering. A pricey proposition. Of course, such innovation comes at a cost. The N1 is not for the faint of wallet, with a starting price tag of a cool $220,000. But for those with the means and the desire to own a piece of the future, the N1 is an investment in an unparalleled home entertainment experience. The verdict. The CES N1 is more than just a TV. It's a technological marvel that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Its stunning picture quality, innovative design, and transformative capabilities make it the undisputed star of CES 2024. While its price tag might make it a niche product, the N1 is a glimpse into the future of home entertainment, and it's a future that looks incredibly bright. If you're looking for a TV that's not just a screen but an experience, the CES N1 is in a league of its own. Just be prepared to open your wallet wide.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.